Well, thank you for joining us. We are talking and have been talking about the Bay Area Science Festival. And with us right now is Joseph Castro. Nice to have you here.
Thank you.
PhD and every Vice Chancellor of Student Academic Affairs.
Yes.
Good for you.
Thank you.
Okay, now I'd like to know, and we're hearing more about this, that students coming in have more interest in science maybe than they used to because of the exposure to what's going on through the media. Is that true or not?
I think it's true. I think there's a higher interest earlier in kids' life, that we promote that more in the schools, and that's a good thing. But we still think at UCSF that more promotion is needed, and this Bay Area Science Festival is a way of doing that.
Yeah, how will UCSF be involved in that?
Well, UCSF's the lead partner, and we've organized all the different organizations around the Bay Area to get engaged in this effort. So our staff has put this all together with others around the Bay Area. We're specifically focusing on the big event on November 6th at AT&T Park.
Oh, yeah.
Where we're going to have thousands
now
of
that's
people.
going to be the big event, right?
That's right.
That's the main event.
That's the centerpiece event. But there'll be lectures of all kinds around the Bay Area. The libraries are involved, and so lots of good things.
Now, at the park, wasn't last year there was another event there similar to that, wasn't there? Was it a science fair that they had? Because I remember young people bringing all kinds of, maybe it was inventions.
Yeah,
things to
it's
AT&T
possible.
Park.
Yeah, this will be probably the largest event of its kind in the history of the Bay Area. So in terms of scale and scope.
What will happen there?
Well, there's going to be...
It sounds scary. Huh? What's going to happen there?
There's going to be exhibits of all kinds.
Yeah.
Kids can pick up a reptile, for example. There'll be activities.
Whether they want to or not.
Whether they want to or not.
Yeah.
All sorts of things going on. Hands-on activities for kids, but also for adults. And lectures and presentations of all kinds.
Okay, and now, if I remember, you just walk in, right?
That's right.
There's no charge involved. It's all going on inside there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All
on the
free of
field?
charge. That's right, on the baseball field, where the Giants play. Yeah, all of that will happen.
Might find a leftover Giant or something there. See, the season will be over.
That's
right.
Right.
So this will be science exhibits of different kinds? And
that's right, exhibits. There'll be presentations by some of our scientists at UCSF. We're so fortunate we have some of the finest scientists from all around the world here in San Francisco, and it's a way of sharing that resource. We're a public university, and so this is a way of giving back to the public. It's given so much to us.
What about the people who come in who are on the staff? Are they coming from all over the world? They're coming from California? They're coming where? I mean, is there any trend one way or another?
In terms of the people we're attracting to UCSF?
Yeah, right.
Well, we focus a lot.
In this area?
Yeah, in this area, we get students from all over the world, and I'd say roughly 40 countries in addition to the U.S.
Really?
Yes. But most of our students come from California, and as a California university, that's really our primary focus, is to get the best and brightest students from all over the world, but particularly from here, from San Francisco, and we have many graduates of San Francisco schools who go to UCSF as well, and we're trying to increase that through efforts like this.
Yeah, well, events like that will do it, you know. And I think when people come in from different parts of the world, it adds to the cosmopolitan nature, obviously, of the school, and people learn from other students at the same time.
That's right.
Okay, so again, the date is...
The date of the big event at AT&T Park is November the 6th.
The 6th,
yeah.
Okay.
But we're basically talking about a month-long set of activities all over the Bay Area.
Right.
At San Francisco State, here at UCSF, Santa Rosa, Stanford.
We've mentioned
Berkeley.
A number of those throughout today, as a matter of fact.
Yes.
Joseph, nice having you here.
Thank you.
Joseph Castro has been our guest. We're talking about the Bay Area Science Festival. Thank you very much for joining us.